Hello friends, how are you? Happy Friday! Welcome to another CFAT Practice Test questions with answers and problem solving. This is now video number 29 in my video series. In this video, I'm gonna solve two problems and they're both series or sequence problems. If you wanted more practice in your CFAT, I highly recommend armitest.com, and I'll put the link in the description of this video. Alrighty, going back to the questions, starting right away with number 1. What comes after in the sequence below? That is the sequence 1/4, 3/10, 2/5, 3/5, 1 blank. Here are the choices and the correct answer is A, 1.8. Let's go to the solution to find out how I got to the answer. So the key here is to multiply by 2 and subtract by 0.2. Subtract 0.2. So we start with the first number in the sequence, which is 1/4. Okay, so that's 1/4. In order to get the second number, which is 3/10, we need to multiply 1/4 times 0.2 minus 0.2. So 1/4 times 1/4, 1/4 times 2 is equal to 1/2, and then we subtract 0.2. So the result would be 0.5 minus 0.2 is equal to 0.3. 0.3 is the fraction form of 0.3 is 3/10. Okay, so that's the second number in the sequence. To get to the third number in the sequence, we multiply by 2 the 3/10, and then we subtract 0.2. So 3/10 times 0.2, we're gonna get 6/10 minus 0.2. 6/10 is 0.6 minus 0.2 is 0.4. 0.4 is 4 over 10. We'll reduce it to the simplest form of the fraction, which is 2/5. So that is the next number in the sequence, 2/5. So the next one, 3/5. How did we get 3/5? So we multiply 2/5 by 2 and subtract 0.2. 2/5 times 2 is equal to 4/5 minus 0.2. 4/5 is 0.8 minus 0.2 is equal to 0.6. 0.6 is 6 over 10 in fraction form, and then we reduce the fraction 6/10 into its lowest form, we get 3/5. It's right there. And the next number in the sequence is 1. So how did we get 1? We multiply 3/5 times 2 minus 0.2. 3/5 times 2 is, we first convert 3/5 into its decimal form. 3/5 in decimal form is 0.6. 0.6 times 2 minus 2. 0.6 times 2 is equal to 1.2. and then we subtract the 0.2, we get 1. Okay, that's how we got 1. And then finally the next number in the sequence, which is the blank. So 1 times 2 minus 0.2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 0.2 is 1.8. Okay, which is letter A. Okay, dokie. Moving on to number 2. Another sequence problem. What number completes the sequence below? 1, 2, 9, 64, blank, 77, 76. The correct answer is B, 625. Solution. Raise the number to the exponent that is the same as the number and then divide by the same number. Do this pattern for the numbers 1, then 2, then 3, and so on until 6. So for the number 1, this is the easiest part. 1 raised to 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Okay? And then we now determine how did we get we get 2 in the sequence. For the number 2, 2 raised to 2 or 2 squared divided by 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, that's how we got 2 in the sequence. Next number in the sequence is 9. How did we get 9? So it's for the number 3. 3 raised to 3 divided by 3. 3 raised to 3 or 3 cubed is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 divided by 3 is equal to 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. That's the next number in the sequence is 9. The next number in the sequence is 64. How did we get 64? It's for the number 4. For the number 4, 4 to the power of 4 divided by 4. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 divided by 4. 4 raised to 4 is equal to 256 divided by 4 is equal to 64. That's how we got the number 64 in the sequence. So now we have blank. What's the answer to the blank? It's for the number 5. To get to the number 5, we raise 5 to the 5th power divided by 5. So it's gonna be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 divided by 5 is equal to 3125 divided by 5 is equal to 625. So that is the answer, 625, which is letter B. But we still need to prove that 77, 76 is the next number in the sequence. So how did we get 77, 76? So we just go for the number 6. So the number 6, for the number 6 is 6 to the 6th power divided by 6. So we got 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 divided by 6. So it's equal to 46,656 divided by 6 is equal to 7776. Okay. So I hope you learned something from this sequence problems. Hope you pass your CFAT with flying colors. And I wish you all the best in your career in the Canadian Armed Forces. Okay? Cheers and have a good one. Take care. Take it easy in your long weekend. In your weekend, sorry. It's not a long weekend. Long weekend is over.